Hi, I'm the Mad Computer Scientist. If you're new to this channel and haven't done so already, please hit like, comment, and subscribe. Today we're going to talk about, does 2 plus 2 always equal 4? Now I know you're thinking that's only the case if the party tells you to do so, and while I commend you for your knowledge of English literature, we're not going to talk about that today. Instead we're going to talk about times mathematically where 2 plus 2 does not equal 4, and there are a couple of times where it does not. The first scenario where 2 plus 2 does not equal 4 is when we're dealing with base numbering systems, specifically base number systems where the base is less than 5. For example, let's say we have 2 plus 2 equals 1, 1, which will look like this up here. If we're doing this properly, we put superscripts, subscripts underneath it in order to indicate we're dealing with different bases. We read this as 2 plus 2 equals 1, 1, or more appropriately, 2 base 3 plus 2 base 3 equals 1, 1 base 3. Another time when we add 2 plus 2 and do not get 4 is when we're doing modulo arithmetic. Modulo arithmetic simply means we're adding two numbers together and then seeing if they're divisible by another number. If the result is even, we get a 0. If we have a remainder, we get the remainder back. So if we're doing modulo division for 2 plus 2 equals 4, we're going to get 0 as the result for modulo arithmetic in that particular problem. If you're wondering why we would ever do this, well, you either have started programming or you haven't programmed yet. Trust me, when we want to do something like determine if a number is odd or even, we're going to use modulo arithmetic to see if the number is evenly divisible by 2. Alright, thanks for joining me, the Mad Computer Scientist. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and go out and write some code. Alright, another case we're going to look at to show that 2 plus 2 does not always equal 4 is when we're dealing with modulus division. Now, modulus arithmetic, another case we're going to look at to show that 2 plus 2 do not